Hi, my name is Anubhav Tyagi. I'm an advocate and I practice law in Delhi. In this video, I'm going to talk about that if parties who had filed contested divorce have come to a settlement and want to settle their dispute and want to go for uncontested divorce, then what is the procedure and what happens to the cases that are pending in the court, because when parties go for contested divorce, along with divorce they also file certain cases. For example, the complaint under the DV Act 498A of IPC and petition under 125 of CRPC and other cases as well. So, for example, parties have come to a settlement and they want to file the divorce through mutual consent. Then, in that case, the parties firstly have to prepare an agreement, a settlement agreement, in which the terms and conditions are there that whatever the articles that were given in as Stridhan have to be returned, and whatever amount was spent in the marriage, that has to be returned, and other conditions whatever the parties deem fit. These conditions are to be mentioned in the settlement agreement. The said agreement has to be notarized by a notary public, and after that the petition for mutual consent divorce is filed in the court. After your case is filed in the court, then you can file your withdrawal application of all the cases that are pending. That is your DV case or your 498A FIR. All the cases that are pending, you have to file your withdrawal application. The In the said application, it has to be mentioned that the parties have now come to a settlement and want to seek withdrawal of the cases. So after the withdrawal of the cases, you can proceed with your mutual consent divorce.